Hello, I am Shobhik Kangshavani and this is my video demo for Hack the Runway. VOGUE.AI is an UI concept where with the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, it would help users recommend their daily wardrobe without any hassle. Apart from that, this VOGUE.AI would help you keep up with the current fashion trends or to promote your own unique fashion statements, or if you are a paparazzi or if you are a model, you are free to promote your own works. The objective of this VOGUE.AI is to help people choose their wardrobe without any hassle based on the events, based on their age, based on their gender, based on their preferences. The VOGUE.AI contains an AI-powered recommending system for choosing the perfect wardrobe. A post system where users can post or to open a poll for other users, and there is also a weekly and a daily wardrobe recommending system in the home screen. So this is the intelligent AI that we're talking about. I choose male, I choose the occasion, I prefer tradition, there are 4 color preferences, and my nationality is Indian, and it will recommend me this style, what I should wear in the occasion. Apart from that, users can write and post their poll as well as react on it. And apart from that, in the home screen, there is a weekly and a daily wardrobe recommending system. This is the wardrobe of the week and this is today's wardrobe. So this is the design system. This is the designs that I have made, and feel free to suggest on how to improve this, and thank you. Have a nice day.